In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, let's go to keypad then, and let me provide you with the first code, which is asterisk pound, 0000, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, you've got the device info, so if you'd like to reach info like model, hardware version, PRL version, baseband version, software version, and so on, just provide those numbers and those codes like this with 4 zeros inside. Then the second code that I would like to show you is the one that will redirect us to firmware version panel. To enter it, just press asterisk pound 1234 and pound at the end. And here we've got the firmware version. Just click on OK, and here it is. To send some feedback, just enter asterisk pound 800 pound, and here you will be able to send some feedback regarding any issues with, for example, phone calls, audio, Bluetooth, GPS, or whatever. Just need to pick the particular option, and here you can record the issue and send it to your carrier. And this is it. Then whenever you'd like to check the SAR level, provide code, pretty short code, which is asterisk pound 07 pound. And as you can see here, we've got the maximum SAR level. Tap on OK to close it. And then if you'd like to open the calendar info, just provide asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info, so if you have any event celebrations, birthdays, like whatever, included in any calendar of yours, this will be all displayed right here. So let me go back. And now if you'd like to open FCM Diagnostic Mode, just press asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And here we've got events and also status. And if you'd like to enroll some more details, tap on more and click on advanced view. So that will be all. Let me go back. And now to find the hardware revision, just enter asterisk pound 888 and pound at the end. And here you've got the PCB number, and then you can smoothly scan this QR code to get some further details. Let me go back then. And now if you'd like to check your IMEI number, you've got the short code, which is asterisk pound 06 pound. And here you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to this device. And that would be all. This is it. These are all secret codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.